my new spark plug that came. My old one was too big, the one that I had ordered at first. So I'm gonna try to go and finish this project up and make it quick, simple, and fast as possible. Yeah, you don't want to over tighten them things, man. I got the all blue coil pack. Yeah. Woo. They said they supposed to be some good, so hey, I'm gonna try them out and I'll find out in a little bit. They said they work like factory, so gonna find out. Got 5 more to go. Yes sir, yes sir. I got half for the spark plugs and coil pack did. It's real easy, real simple. Let me show y'all how it look. And I'm really loving I'm really loving the view right now. And I'm gonna clean the engine up and everything once I put everything back together. But check this view out. Them blue things. I never imagined. But hey, anyway, keep on watching. And we gonna finish this video off real fast and real short, real simple. And I'm gonna let y'all know how I run it too once I get it crunk up and everything. So hey, stay with me. And another thing is, if this your first time ever doing this, make sure that you take a picture of everything. You gotta take a picture of how everything's set up. Make sure you got a good picture too. Picture always. Yes, today has been a long and great and progressing day. I didn't get my car started, but I did complete the tune-up, and I had found further problems along the way, you know, that could potentially be the cause of it not cranking. So my next step gonna be to do further research and then possibly send it to the shop. But as of now, I don't have no thought process on what I'm gonna do yet. You know what I'm saying? So the Max will be back running eventually. But as of today, like I would have loved it to be in for it to be running, it just didn't happen. It didn't happen. Not today. Not today. But if you can tell in my voice, I had a long day, a very long day. But the good thing is I made great progress. I kind of figured out some things. I kind of seen some more things that I needed to see instead of just assuming or whatever, like I usually would have done. But my mechanic told me, hey, don't assume, check your resources and do this and do that. And that's what I did. So, you know, I'm gonna do some further research on it, and we're gonna go from there. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll continue to keep you updated with the Maxima. Alright, until next time, I'll see ya. Goodbye.